Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, good job opportunity from ECIL company. Work location is Hyderabad. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. As we discussed, company ECIL, they are hiring for two designations. First, technical officer on contract, number of vacancies 8, upper age limit as on 31st Jan 2021 is 30 years. So, below 30 years candidates are eligible for this position. For selected candidate, pay scale is 23,000 per month. Second designation, scientific assistant on contract. We had only one vacancy, upper age limit, below 25 years candidates are eligible for this position. For selected candidate, salary is 20,200 per month. Required education qualification based on CAT number 1, work location is Hyderabad. First class engineering degree in computer science, information technology with minimum 60% marks from recognized university, and as well as candidate need to possess knowledge regarding SQL, PLSQL and Oracle. And for designation 2, first class diploma in engineering with at least 60% aggregate marks from recognized university, State Board of Technical Education in electrical, electronics and instrumentation. For both designation viewers, minimum 1 year prior experience is mandatory. Selection process includes, for technical officer on contract, candidate will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:5 based on marks obtained in BE, BTech and 1 year post qualification relevant experience in order of merit. So, they clearly mentioned. The successful candidates at personal interview will be considered for final selection subject to document verification. And for the designation scientific assistant, candidate will be shortlisted for document verification on basis of marks obtained in educational qualification and 1 year post qualification relevant experience in order of merit. So, no interview for second designation. So, they clearly mentioned here, candidate will be selected subject to successful verification of document. How to apply? We need to apply online by visiting official website www.ecil.co.in. Application important dates 4th March 2021 to last date to apply is 18th March 2021. Required documents are valid email ID and as well as photographs and all educational certificates, caste, PWD certificate if necessary. The details of shortlisted candidates for interview will be hosted on company website as and when declared. Reservations and relaxations. Relaxation of marks for ST, SC, OBC, PWD economically weakened section. First class relaxed to second class with 50% aggregate marks for SC candidates. So, they clearly mention. When we come to the concept of age relaxations, upper age limit as on 31st Jan 2021 should not be more than 30 years for general and economically weakened section candidates. When it comes to ST, SC, age relaxation is 5 years, OBC candidates 3 years. As already we discussed, last date to apply is 18th March 2021. Document verification and interview details will be hosted on company website as and when decided. So, interested candidates can log into ECIL official website and you can apply for this particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best.